Arjun also put question to Lord Sri Krishna, now Lord, how can I get peace? Lord replied by saying in Sanskrit rhyme, Nasti buddhi yuktarasya rocha yuktasya bhavana nocha abhayada santi rasantasya kutasudham. Who are not attached with me, can he get peace? Can he attain peace? In Bengali language, Purushottama Thakur Anugula Chandra has stated, Shanti mane nithor hoye alos avos noiko hawa sudhirikkhan sujarjate sunispadon kore ja. Mere static condition of mind does not represent peace. But if anyone wants to get peace, then he has to follow beloved the Lord, the balance imparting agent, the physical embodiment of Godhood, then automatically peace comes and mind gets balanced out of attachment to the beloved the Lord. So this is the clue of getting peace. Peaceful life is a stage of life which can be achieved by way of consenting run of life. To be consenting means con with the center. Con means to be attached with the central. Central one means the central love, the central ideal, the beloved the Lord. Whenever an aspirant gets attached with his bulldog tenacity with beloved the Lord, then all of his complexes goes to serve and to fulfill the love Lord. And the life of the aspirant comes at a meaningful stage. And with the graduated go of his journey in the spirituality, what happened is all of activities gets adjusted in tune of the love Lord. Out of adjusted activity he attains experience. Then experience further gets adjusted, which appears with arousal of knowledge, and with the adjusted knowledge one can get the wisdom. However, then he can discern what has to be done, how to control his activity, how to check his passion, because one cannot check his passion with his own effort. There is requirement of some help from the outside. If the helping person is the Ishvara, the central god of our existence, then all of his passion gets adjusted according to the tune of the love Lord, and all of his activity goes towards perfection. However, for attaining peaceful life, if one wants to be peaceful, or to remain in peaceful life, or to enjoy peaceful life, one cannot do that. Supposing, for instance, it can be said, if he wants to get sleep at bed, then that will to sleep create resistance of getting sleeping. So, whenever anyone wants to get happy life or peaceful life, if he wants, then he cannot get. But if he runs towards perfection, if he runs with all his activity and service to fulfill and nurture the beloved the Lord, then his whole system gets adjusted according to the tune of balanced importance. So this is sum and substance is that if one wants to be peaceful or wants to attain the peaceful home environment or wants to reach the peaceful goal of life, only mere longing for that will not suffice. Mere only aspiration of that may little help. That can only be achieved through attachment with beloved the Lord, through attachment and tenacious adherence with beloved the Lord. Automatically, because beloved the Lord is the balancing promoting agent, out of attachment of beloved the Lord, one can repair his mental fracture, can also adjust his whole activity and can make his life solid and continuous and can enjoy a blissful and peaceful life.